Hello there, this is Callis Coding Journey, and this is the recap from my first day of the learning to code yesterday. But first, I started to just look on, like, what should I do, what is coding, and so on. And I started by learning how to be very effective at learning. And I've used this before when I got my university degree in biology. So I just did a quick recap on that and write down what's very effective for ultra learning. Then I found out sources to learn and get a good grasp on what coding is. Then I thought of what looked at a lot of videos of what type of coder I want to be, and I found that cloud engineer seems fun, but we'll see in the future what I end up with. For cloud engineering, it seems like Python is something I should do. So I found a daily studying plan and a good layout by some YouTuber. It's really good. So she recommended me to do Python and Bash and networking and document everything at the end of the day or the day after or something. Just document what I'm doing. And then I start learning Python and Bash and networking, start getting good in that, and then in a couple of months, half a year, whatever it takes, start doing the more important stuff. And I find this amazing 100-day Python course, which I'm going to use to just learn Python in a very good and good time period. I feel like, and it's a very good course, and I have some hard questions and projects to do every day, so it's not like some tutorial where I learn anything. So here I just learned the basic history, how to print, how to use the quotes, what a string is, how to concatenate, how to use spacebars in a good way, how to use the plus sign, how to use the input function, how to use comments with a hashtag, how to have functions within functions, what a variable is and how I could use the variables in different ways. How can make a line of code a lot beautiful with the use of variables, more easy to read. And then I learned some. Then I got assign a project that it's a small one, of course. To just try and learn some logic in coding. So I wanted to make the input I did in A and B, these two, and change it so they will come out the opposite. And then I had to figure out then what to have in the middle here. By thinking, I'm thinking I could just move the data from A to another variable. And by that, I can then change it later down. So A will equal to B. And then because the value of A is now a C, you can just move B equals C. And then I achieve the results of just switching it around. And then I learned some naming variables and so on, and I will continue today. That was the first day of my coding, and yeah, it was really, really interesting. And today I maybe will learn something about Bash and networking. I will just continue doing my 100 days of coding every weekday, and maybe on the weekends if I got the time. And that's for me. Bye.